Let's look at the words already and yet. We use these in present perfect simple when describing results or experiences. Already means quicker than expected. This means that the speaker says, "Aha! I did this quicker. You think I haven't done it." In US English, they often use past simple in this situation, but not everybody. Look at this example. I've already done my homework. We could write it like this. I've done my homework already. Already can come after have or has, or at the end of the sentence. Either of those is possible. Look at this example for already in a question. Have you fixed the computer already? We can also write, have you already fixed the computer? Again, already can come after the subject, or at the end of the question. In this type of question, the speaker is surprised about the quick result and probably knows or thinks that the answer will be yes. Yet means there's no result or no experience. Look at this example. I haven't done my homework yet. Yet means until this time. We don't need to say yet. The sentence is fine without it, but it makes it clear that this sentence is about results. Here's another. I haven't seen the Eiffel Tower yet. This can mean that there is not this result on my present vacation. Or it can mean that I haven't had this experience until now. Yet doesn't add any extra meaning to a question, but it does tell the listener or the reader that we are talking about a result, or sometimes an experience. Have you watched Jennifer Aniston's new film yet? Putting yet in there just makes it clear that I'm talking about results. Meaning, do you know this film? The result is you don't have to see it again. Although I would recommend seeing Jennifer Aniston's films many, many times. She's so lovely. Or we can ask about experiences in our lives until now. Have you been to India yet? Yet in negative questions expects the answer no. Haven't you finished your work yet? Note that we can put yet in here after haven't or hasn't. However, this is not common usage. Let's do some practice. Rearrange these words to make sentences with already and yet. Have they already been to the supermarket? Or, have they been to the supermarket already? Remember here, the speaker thinks the answer is yes. They think the result is quick. I haven't spoken to my mother yet. Or, less commonly, I haven't yet spoken to my mother. Has he prepared the food already? Or, has he already prepared the food? Haven't we finished the work yet? Or, haven't we yet finished the work? She hasn't gone home yet. Or, she hasn't yet gone home. Has the movie finished yet? Now download from the Resources section the file that gives practice on present perfect with yet and already. Answer the questions, then check your answers. And there's also an extra practice worksheet for you if you wish to look at that. And that is about all that we have learned about the present perfect. Good luck!